I am Vikash Kumar. In today's video, we will discuss the NHAI Policy Guidelines 2026 MLFF SOP. This video is based on the NHAI Policy Guidelines 2026. These guidelines define a standard operating procedure SOP for the multi-lane free flow tolling system. The objective of this SOP is to implement seamless, barrierless, and technology-driven toll collection, which will improve logistics efficiency, reduce fuel consumption, and ensure smooth traffic flow. 1. Project Administration. Project directors will manage the contract agreements of MLFF tolling projects within their jurisdiction. These projects are revenue sensitive. Therefore, the PIU will closely monitor them, similar to UFCA contracts. A nodal officer will be appointed for each toll plaza to resolve daily operational challenges, remove site constraints, manage timely approvals, and ensure smooth implementation. The PIU will monitor toll collection and traffic through the MLFF portal and TMCC and will report irregularities to the IHMCL core division. 2. Grievance Management. Project directors will dispose of e-notice-related complaints in a timely manner, in accordance with ministry directions and gazette notifications. 3. Gantry clear height. The PIU will ensure that MLFF gantries comply with IRC guidelines, with a minimum gantry height of 5.5 meters and a clear height of 6.0 meters. Advance warning signages will be installed at 1 kilometer, 500 meters, and 250 meters intervals, such as overhead gantry ahead. ODC/OWC vehicles with a height greater than 4.75 meters will not be allowed on MLFF gantry routes. These vehicles will be guided by pilot vehicles and regulated through PIU patrol vehicles. Damage to MLFF infrastructure is considered a revenue-critical matter and directly causes loss to the government exchequer. 4. No parking encroachment. Parking and encroachment are strictly prohibited within a 200-meter radius on both sides of the MLFF tolling zone. Unauthorized vendors, temporary structures, parked vehicles, and construction materials will be removed immediately. This is critical for operational efficiency and safety. 5. Road Safety Audit Illumination. MLFF tolling zones are no longer stop-and-go systems, therefore, lane throughput will be higher. A road safety auditor will conduct audits and ensure adequate signage, markings, and studs. Approach geometry, lane markings, crash barriers, rumble strips, speed calming measures, and visibility will be checked. If toll plaza lanes are reduced, taper lengths, channelizing devices, reflective barricading, flashing beacons, and advanced diversion signage will be arranged. Existing toll plaza infrastructure will be clearly delineated and illuminated with red LED lighting and protected using traffic attenuators. High mast lighting is mandatory for night safety and equipment efficiency. These works may be carried out under PDRO delegated powers as per NHAI Policy Circular 12.43/2025. 6. Raw power supply. The PIU will provide raw power supply to the MLFF tolling executing bank. The recurring cost of electricity will be borne by the bank. 7. Coordination with RTO district administration. The PIU will maintain regular coordination with the RTO and district administration. Number plate tampering and law and order issues will be promptly reported to enable enforcement and administrative action. 8. Traffic discipline. Route patrol vehicles will prevent wrong-side driving, especially near gantries. Deliberate obstruction and toll evasion attempts will be reported to local law enforcement agencies. 9. Public awareness. The PIU, along with IHMCL and local administration, will conduct awareness campaigns. Advisories regarding MLFF operations, e-notices, enforcement provisions, and safety norms will be disseminated through information boards, media, and social media platforms. Thus, pre-go-live operations. The PIU will coordinate with stakeholders, IHMCL, EPCM contractors, IEAE, and UFCA to ensure smooth migration from conventional tolling to MLFF tolling and successful operations. Closing note: one-line summary. This SOP provides a comprehensive framework. However, geographical and traffic challenges vary across different regions. Therefore, regional officers and project directors are encouraged to implement advanced safety measures and improved operational protocols beyond the minimum requirements. These guidelines have been issued with the approval of the competent authority, dated 13th March 2026, and signed by CS Sanjay Kumar Patel. If you found this video informative, please make sure to like the video, and don't forget to subscribe to Toll Tech Academy for more such information.